Yes, hello everyone. Warm welcomes to our YouTube video for today. Like on this video today, I'll be taking you guys on how to mail merge. So for those who have been following me, please, this one is a super one where I'm gonna explain much more on your questions. Like someone dropped a comment, like wanted a video on mail merge. So it's the one I'm making for you today. I believe after this video, you'll be able to mail merge your messages, like to make your messages in mail merge and send it to very many different people at the same time. So like an example before we start, what you need like in mail merging, number one, you need your data source. In which your data source, that one's supposed to be in the Microsoft Excel. Then the another thing you need the source document. That is now what your letter that you have to make it in the Microsoft Word. An example, we can go straight away to our work and do it. An example here, I have my work that I did already. I have work here, data source. I have work here in Microsoft Word. This is a message that I've typed. This one is a typed message that I typed by me myself. So this is how the message. This is the way my message is. For example, this one is for school like Camilla's high school, PO box, this and this. Here, this is where I'm supposed to put what address, and then I have here I'm going to put the name of the person you're going to send what your letter. So this is where you put what dear. Then when you come here, I have like thank you for your contribution. So here I'm going to put the nature of what contribution, and then you have here funds. You have what here down. This is now the body of the letter, and then here this is what this concluding statement here, which you should not mind. But the major things here are these ones in where in the brackets. So like if you've created your data source, you're going to put them here where you see what this bracket. So like when you type in your letter, make sure while you're putting your data source, you put them in brackets here, like the name, address, so that when you're doing your mail merge, it can be easier for you to be what to replace them there, those fields, to put them and insert it there. Straight away, we can come when you open your source document, like your mail letter, the one you've typed, you will come to mailings. You come to mailings. When you come to mailings, you see here, this is where they say on your ribbons here, after tapping on the tabs here, these ones are the tabs. So when you tap on the tabs of mailings, you come to the ribbons where you see the ribbons here, you see where they say start mail merge. So here you press it straight away. When you press it, this is what it displays. It brings you the letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, directory, normal Word document, and then step by step mail merge wizard. So for you, like an example, if you're writing your letter, you'll press on what letter. So after creating letter, it brings you to what select the recipient. So you'll come here to select the recipient. For example, here also when you type this, when you press on this, you click on this, it brings like three things. First is to type a new list, and next one is use an existing list, another one is choose from Outlook contact. So like if you don't have one, that is why I was telling you the need what the data source. You can what come here where you can choose Outlook contacts. But when you don't have that one, then if you have created yours already, you can use this one, use an existing list. So example for us, I already created one, I can use what an existing list. So like when you come to existing list, number one, you should know where you saved your documents. An example of mine, I saved it on my desktop. I have it here. I have it here. Let me see where I placed it. So for the case of mine, I have it here on my desktop where you see data source. This is the data source. What you mean? I created it using what Excel. So you can save it to your data source so that you don't forget. So you'll click on it. After clicking on it, it comes here. After that, you have to open it. Once you open it, this is what it brings. Excel has many sheets. For example, if yours is in this sheet of mail merge, like for example, mine is in the sheet of mail merge, you click on that sheet, you select that particular sheet, then you do what? You press OK. So like after pressing OK, it unlocks for you other options. For example, edit recipient list. Here you see address book, greetings line, insert merge field. For an example here, I can come where now to insert merge field. So an example I have here, first number one, I can come to mine. number one on mine was address. So you'll come to your message, where there is address here. You'll come, you click it like this, you leave your cursor there, then you come to insert, then you put the address. Then the next one where you see name here, you come to this, click on that, you leave your cursor there, then you come to insert, you put the one for name, you insert it. Then the next one you close. The next one you come to contribution. This is where another one of ours is. Come to contribution, put on it, you clean this. After cleaning it, you put it to, you come to insert, you come and put what? Nature of contribution, you insert, then you close. Then I think they're the ones. After that, you come to preview what? Results. You press on this. When it comes to preview results, this is what I was meaning, friends. This was the meaning. Like where we had typed like address, it has brought this person's what? Address. Where we placed the name, it has brought the name here. Dear Bricks John Trevor. The name of that person is there. And then where we placed the funds, we placed his contribution. His contribution has appeared here. So like for everyone, each one of these guys, their mailings have been what? They have been uploaded. So now here, after coming to preview results, on the preview results there are other options. Again here you can either preview it in this other side, find the preview, check for errors and other things. Now there, after that you come to merge your finish it, come to finish your mailings. There is here edit individual documents, print documents, send emails. For example, if you send emails direct, you can send them directly. If you want to edit individual documents, for an example for us want here to edit what? Individual documents. When we come to edit individual documents, it has also like also many options. An example, we have current record, we have from to, have from to. So for us, ours is for all. Want to finish it for all. So you shall press what? Okay. When you press okay like that, your thing is finished. So here now on top you can even read your word letters. This is letters one word document. So like your work is done, you can see it. An example is here. When you come here, you can see page 1 of 4. Page 1 of 4. So like we're in page 1, but there are more other pages that you have merged here. We're sending the same document. Instead of you wasting time writing one letter for 1,000 people, you can write one, then you merge it, you send it to different people. So when you come to this, you can see this one is page 1. Page 1, we're writing it to the Bricks Trevor. Then in page 2, you can see we're writing it to Tegolo Hillary. Then you can see here in page 3, we're writing it to Delelis Camilas, which is me. That is my nice name. Then when you come to this other one, the last one, page 4, you can see writing to Sarah Ken Sarai. So like this is why this car mail image is very good. It helps you like to write one message, then you merge it and send that one message to thousands of people. Once you write them once, then you send them once to thousands of people. Than you wasting time, come to Microsoft Word, type one letter each and every time, of which you would be wasting your time a lot, of which at times you might not even finish. Maybe the deadline for sending letters is tomorrow, and you're supposed to write those letters, you're supposed to send them to 1,000 people. How can you do that? The best is to come and mail image. But friends, before I conclude this video, we conclude our video. Number like when you're doing this mail merge, you should need the data source, of which that data source you can create it using Microsoft Excel. Then your source document, you need your main document, like your letter, the letter you're writing. You write that one in Microsoft Word, like this one that you have. Another thing, maybe the last thing is how to save your work. Can come here to save as. When you come to save as, it is brings here. Maybe you can browse. When you browse hours, we can write here. Maybe here I can write now I final work. My final, nice. My final, nice work. Nice work. Then you can come here also. You either choose it as a PDF, Word document, or another thing. For example, if you want mine as a PDF, you choose it like that. Then you come after that, you come and save it. You can put here there is quality, standard, minimum, all. Then you come to save your word. So after that, your work is saved as you are seeing. It is already saved. This one now we can remove it and we can preview it in any other way. Can preview our work in another way. Close file and close it. Like that. After saving work, our work is final, it is finished, it is here now. The letters, these letters are ready to be sent. Now we can send them to all these guys at once. Like friends who have reached here, guys, I really call for your subscriptions. Please follow, like, comment and subscribe. And I believe in the next video that I'm gonna drop, it is going to be massive. I promise it is going to be massive, guys. Really make sure you subscribe to this car channel. It's a nice one, and I promise that next the coming one you guys won't regret. You'll be salivating, and after it you'll be the best person. You'll do your work in a very systematic manner. I can't tell which kind of work I'm going to do in the next video, but if you subscribe, YouTube will send you notifications like once I drop that video, you'll receive it. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Love you all. See you guys in the next video.